Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, please be welcome. Today's healing energy transmission is for a broken heart. This will be in 3 parts, and today we're just going to tune in to see what comes through. All you need to do to receive this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes, and I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. Healing a broken heart, part 1. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And this is for you if you've lost somebody, if you're grieving, if a relationship has broken down, if you're feeling the weight of the world, if your heart is tender in any way about what's happening all around you. If you're dealing with illness in a family, if your heart is tender. So just tuning in right here, right now, from angels, spirits, guides to you. Just dropping in to feel your physical body, where you're at, how it's feeling. Bring your attention to your heart. You can place your hand there if you like. Feel the pulse in your body. And today we're just going to begin with an exploration of the tissues and fibers, the muscles, the valves, the mechanism of the spiraling folds and the crevices that make up this incredible organ that give you life, that animate the life force. And this is also beneficial to those working with any kind of cardiovascular disease. Focus this energy at your heart, calling on the qualities of strength and courage, resilience, tenacity to sustain you, to give you energy to endure and deal with the things that you're dealing with in your life, to bringing through this powerful infusion of healing energy to give you strength. And as you bring your focus to the depths of your heart, becoming aware of the blood pulsing in through the chambers, the motion of the heartbeat as it moves the life force, oxygen-rich blood through the arteries, through the veins, into the capillaries, nourishing all of the tissues and cells throughout your whole body. And take a deep breath. Just being aware that this oxygen-rich infusion of energy circulating the life force through your body. And as you focus on the chambers of the heart, just allow to surface in your mind all of the things that you're holding in your life for yourself, for your loved ones, your family, your friends, your community, for the world, for the earth. Whatever you're holding here, just acknowledge it. Be aware. And if there's emotions that are surfacing as you focus in on this holding, just allow the tears to roll, This is healing. This is releasing. This is supporting you. Take another deep breath. Just acknowledging all that you're holding in your heart. All of the thoughts and feelings that might be swirling around in here. All of the things that maybe have been in the too hard basket and you've shoved down because you can't deal with them right now. Just shining a light into the crevices, into the folds, into the tender parts, bringing them into your awareness to be held with gentle, loving kindness right here, right now. And calling in the Divine Mother, Divine Father, Divine Masculine and Feminine, to shower you with this blessings of the heart, acknowledging you, seeing you, hearing you, no judgment, no need to do anything or be anything, just being present to what you're holding in your life and feeling the support of the entire universe. Take another deep breath and we're going to infuse your beautiful heart with such angelic, majestic, beautiful energy from on high. And depending on what's happening in your life and how your heart is feeling, whether it's feeling shattered or broken, or whether it feels like it's been put in the blender, or whether it's torn apart, or whether it's got puncture wounds, or it feels like it's been ripped out of your chest, or if it's tender, if it's bleeding, whatever state your heart is in, just today we are witnessing and holding and supporting that beautiful heart with a prayer for healing, so that you can feel the feels in a safe and held and beautiful way right here, right now. Acknowledging what you're holding as you're receiving this healing energy, and as you're hearing these words, any images, any memories begin to surface in your mind's eye. Just notice them. Just allow them to surface. Allow them to be revealed to you, acknowledging that whatever is revealed to you here and now, you have the capacity and the wherewithal and the strength to process and integrate them into your life, letting them go if they no longer serve, letting them release back into the source of all creation. Just being aware if there's other people's energy that is occupying the chambers of your heart that no longer serves. You don't need to hold it. You can feel compassion and kindness for another being, but you don't need to hold it in your physical body. So just another sweet, beautiful, deep breath to let it go, other people's energy. Directing this energy straight to the heart that will then filter through the entire cardiovascular system. Allowing the beat and the pulse to find its natural rhythm in alignment with your spirit. Settle into place. Or course correction if you've been out of balance, or centering another person, centering other people, just bringing yourself into the center so that you are the center of your universe. You put the oxygen mask on you first. You find your balance. You find your peace. Grounding yourself and embodying yourself into your heart first, so that you can be of service to others second. Just take another deep breath. Ting. Thank you, my loves. And part 2 will be looking at the energy imprints held in your beautiful heart and gently dissolving and resolving and absolving those energy imprints. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for taking the time to give to yourself and nourish yourself in this way. Please like, share for others who might need healing for a broken heart, healing for a tender heart, the deep, watery depths of the heart. Bless, my loves. Bless. Now to seal that healing in,